Anis binti Zaidi. So today our group member will explain to you about the food enzyme in food additive. Exist without enzyme because enzyme is very crucial in our body for chemical reaction. It can speed up the rate of reaction and also reduce the time of reaction. Many believe that raw food material contains specific enzyme that breaking down the food into nutrients that proper for digestion. Food enzymes are mainly used as processing aids, which occur in more than 99% of the cases. Enzymes are intentionally added to perform a function during the processing of raw materials, ingredients of food, but they have no technological function in the final food. Industrial enzymes share the same properties as the enzymes naturally found in food raw materials. In most cases, the added enzymes merely accelerate the processes that already occurs naturally by the endogenous enzymes, and only small quantities are needed to perform a function. Here's some examples of high enzyme foods such as avocado, papaya, pineapple, aloe vera, cucumbers, sprouts, and coconut.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone, I am Nina Atira binti Muhammad Sabri, and today I will present to all of you about the function of food enzyme. Firstly, the food enzyme can aid in baking process. Enzymes have played a key role in baking ever since humans learned how to make bread. Enzymes are naturally present in cereal grain and hence in flour. Due to natural changes in the harvest, flour composition varies, and so does the level of endogenous enzyme. Therefore, exogenous enzymes are added during processing to standardize flour content. Next, in fruits and vegetables, food enzymes break down the specific components within fruits and vegetables such as pectin, starch, protein, and cellulose, which result in increased yield, shortening of processing times, and improving sensory characteristics. Moreover, food enzymes also can aid brewers in cutting down production time and cost while still delivering the quality product that consumers have come to expect. Such enzymes are specifically selected to perform highly specific tasks and improve the overall effectiveness of the process. Lastly, it can provide many benefits to dairy products. Food enzymes can prolong the resilience in cheese, remove liquid milk, and reduce wear bitterness.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Lailatul Huda binti Jafri. My metric number is 1170337. Today I'm going to talk about types of food enzymes. There are 4 types of food enzymes, which are protease, lipase, amylase, and gelatinase. First of all, protease. Protease, also known as proteolytic enzymes, and it is produced in our pancreas as trypsin and chymotrypsin. This protease is used to digest protein in meat, dairy, and plant sources food. Okay. And also, we can find protease in fruits such as pineapple as bromelain and in papaya as papain. These two enzymes, which is bromelain and papain, are usually used as meat tenderizer. It is used meat tenderizer to break down the protein before cooking. Second, lipase. Lipase works to break down triglycerides into fatty acids and glycerol. The fatty acids, once broken down, we can use as energy for our body. Usually produced in our pancreas, liver, mouth, and also our stomach. Supplements are recommended for people with Crohn's disease, celiac disease, and cystic fibrosis because these people they cannot digest food optimally and cannot do absorption of nutrients from the food due to their lack of lipase. So they need the lipase supplements. The third one is the amylase. It is produced, usually found in our saliva and used to break down the carbohydrates into smaller particles, which is maltose. And it is secreted in our small intestine to continue the digestion of carbohydrate into a smaller particle, which is glucose. The amylase also produced in our pancreas. The last one is gelatinase. It is found in human digestive tract and it can break down the gelatin and collagen and it also works like protease. It can break down protein into smaller chains of amino acids. Gelatinase also works in the remodeling of our tissues in our body and also the reproduction. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
The E number group of food enzymes. First, E1100 is amylase. Second, E1105 is lysozyme. Third, E1104 is lipase. Fourth, E1103 is invertase. Fifth, E1102 is glucose oxidase. And lastly, E1101, which are either protease, papain, or bromelain.
We move to the advantages of food enzyme. First, food enzyme assist digestion and metabolize the food and also plays a crucial role in muscle contraction. Secondly, food enzyme enhance nutrition absorption and prevent nutritional deficiency. And lastly, food enzyme counteract enzyme inhibitors naturally in foods like peanuts, red germ, egg whites, nuts, seeds, beans, and potatoes. The disadvantages of food enzyme. First, the enzyme will be denatured by even a small increase in temperature, susceptible poisons, and changes in pH. This means the condition they work must be tightly controlled. Secondly, the enzyme can be expensive to produce. And lastly, the contamination of enzyme with other substances can affect the reaction.
Food enzymes are very beneficial in our life, although it has some disadvantage. It can increase the yield of the product. It also can shortening the time of the production and also can enhance the characteristic of the products.
Enzymes are vital for life. The capacity of a living organism to make enzymes, the enzyme potential is limited and exhaustible. The increased use of food enzymes promotes a decreased rate of exhaustion of the enzyme potential. And lastly, Dr. Howell proposed that enzymes from food in the stomach to pre-digest food. He recommended the consumption of large amount of plant enzyme.
Yeah. Let's go. 내 모습이 화려하진 않아도 굴리지 않아 난 Never mind. 세상이 요구하는 스펙은 많아도 난 나의 길을 갈래. Go. 주위의 시선 따위는 신경 끄며 눈치 보며 감춰놓았던 진짜 날 찾아 모든 걸 뒤집어 세상에 소리쳐 눈부신 진짜 날 찾아 소리쳐